gonna do an unboxing today. What's up, guys? It's Us Outdoors, and we're gonna do an unboxing today. So I got my little brother over here.
What's up, guys?
So, we're gonna do an unboxing of a company called Untitled Tackle Box. This is a company just like Lucky Tackle Box and Mystery Tackle Box. One of my buddies told me to check this out, and I went ahead and ordered the Trout one. I heard there's a lot of good reviews with this company. Everybody said it's better than MTB and Lucky Tackle Box, but we're gonna check it out and see how it goes.
But it can buy me a boat, it can buy me a truck to pull, it can buy me a Yeti 110.
What's up, guys? So we just got the Untitled Tackle Box, so we're gonna do a little unboxing real quick. People have been saying it's better than Mystery Tackle Box and Lucky Tackle Box, but I'm gonna put that to the test and see if it's really better than them. Overall, I do like the packaging of this box. It's real nice, not that bad. And over here, it tells me if I submit a video or a photo that they can give me a chance to win free stuff. So hopefully that's what I'm going to do with this video. So let's just open this thing real quick. Okay, so first thing I noticed when I opened this box is that they gave me a bomber coupon. So if you order Untitled Tackle Box during the month of June, they give you free sunglasses. So that's pretty good. So these are the sunglasses. These are actually really nice. These are polarized sunglasses. And one thing that's very special about these sunglasses that you don't find in a lot of polarized sunglasses is that they float. So if you notice right here, they have some cushion. If you notice right here, they have some cushion. So in case if it drops into the water while you're fishing or doing anything, it just floats. And the retail price for this is $54.99. All right, so over here, guys, we have some rat tails. They're floating rat tails. That's what they call them. This is kind of like a power bait right here. They have like a little tail. These are perfect for trout. I see a lot of people catching trout with this, and it's a hot item. I do really like it. The price on this is $6.99. So they gave us some trout killer. This is young trout killer. Trout like this a lot. You make a little ball out of these, you go throw into the water. Trout will eat this up within seconds. They gave us some Uncle Josh floating trout nuggets. These are really good. They kind of, if you can look at it, they kind of have some glitter in them, which does attract the trout. Overall, I do like what I'm getting within this box. I only paid $7 for this box using the coupon code FISHMORE. I'm going to put it in the video. So right over here, we have some type of worms or something. I don't know what they call these. But they said it's for panfish, but I'm pretty sure trout would eat this. Look at that, not that bad. And the price on these is $2.99. And right here, oh wow, these are really good. They hooked us up with some hooks. Size 4 hooks from Matsuo, I believe. Yeah, Matsuo. We got 25 hooks. This is $5.99. That bad. They hooked us up with some worms. You can use these. I'm pretty sure brown trout would bite on these. These are pretty nice worms. I'm pretty sure brown trout, brook trout will bite on these. They're a nice color. It's only $5.99. All right, so right here, they hooked us up with some type of power bait. This is really good. It's $3. It's really good. They gave us 20 of them. It's kind of like a power bait. I'm pretty sure, yeah, trout will eat this up right within seconds. The thing I like about these, they're pink, so they kind of look like salmon eggs to them. So they'll probably bite it up within seconds. It's not that bad. It's really good, $3. These kind of do look like salmon eggs, so I'm pretty sure trout will bite on these. These are pretty nice colors, not that bad. And the price of this is $2.99. And right here, we have a Bill Dance Crappie Spin. Trout may bite on this. You know, I mean, it's possible for a trout to bite on this. The package is $3.99. The thing I like about this is like, you know, one thing I noticed with Untitled Tackle Box, they give you more than what it's worth. Like with Mystery Tackle Box and Lucky Tackle Box, they only give you, like, let's say you pay $20 for a box, you probably get $25 worth of items, so only $5 more. But here, like, I'm noticing, like, I only paid $8 for this box. I used the coupon code FISHMORE, and they let me get this box for $8, and they hooked me up with a lot of stuff, even these sunglasses, man. Like, these sunglasses by themselves are only like these sunglasses by themselves are $54. Like it's kind of crazy, to be honest. Like, I'm getting my money back like instantly. So I do really recommend Outside of Tackle Box so far. It's really good. And they hooked me up with this crankbait. This trout may bite on this. It's kind of big though, but it's possible for them to bite on it. The price is $5.99. It's not that bad. They hooked us up with some more worms, nice colors, for $3. And they gave us a little sticker with it. So I calculated everything, and everything that I received in this box was a total of $110, which is a huge bonus because I only paid $8. Alright guys, so during the summer I'm going to do a lot of more trout fishing. I might even go to a fishing tournament in North Carolina this summer, so we're going to see what happens. Just a quick note before I leave, guys. I have an Instagram channel named Nahas_outdoors. You can check that out on Instagram, and if any companies want to check me out, I'm going to leave my email in the description below if y'all want to contact with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can you please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.